In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Payoneer account details. Whether you're looking to update your bank account, phone number, or other personal information, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So, let's get started right away. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head to the Payoneer website by simply searching Payoneer in the search bar. Once the site loads, you'll want to locate the Login button, so go ahead and click on it. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Now, if you need to change your withdrawal bank account, you'll start by going directly to the main menu. From there, select the option labeled Manage. After this, you'll click on Your Bank Accounts. Once you're on the Your Bank Accounts tab, you'll see an option to add a new bank account. This can be done by clicking on Add Bank Account. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to enter your new bank account details. It's essential that the account holder's name matches your Payoneer account name to avoid any issues. Once you've double-checked the information and everything looks good, submit the details. Keep in mind that submitting your new bank account information for review can take up to 3 business days to be processed, so you may need to plan accordingly. Next, let's move on to changing your phone number. Begin by clicking the profile icon, which you'll find in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, proceed to Settings and then Profile Settings. Here you'll see a section for Phone Numbers. Click Edit, then type in your new phone number and be sure to save your changes. For other account details, such as your email address, be aware that changing it will also modify your username. So, if updating your email address is necessary, just be prepared for that username adjustment. In situations where you need to update your name, address, or other vital information, take a moment to navigate through the account settings. If you find that you're unable to locate the specific option, or if the change you wish to make is more complex, like updating a company name, for example, you may need to reach out to Payoneer support directly for assistance. And there you go. That's how you can easily update your account details on Payoneer. Whether it's adjusting your bank account, phone number, or other personal information, these straightforward steps will help ensure your Payoneer account is always up to date. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.